Milo?
Where's Milo?
Hey,
Have you seen Milo?
Where's Milo?
where's Milo?
Where in the is that Milo?
Well now, mares and stallions, it's time to find out how well you know your Outer Banks and win a great prize in the process. It's time for the Where's Milo game.
With OBX Spotlight.
Now listen carefully, avoid distractions, and think, where's Milo? Correct answers must include name of place and town where it exists. Buckle up, here we go.
I'm ready to go, Milo.
I am ground corn yumminess sandwiched between a desperate respite
Yikes! Maybe after all those beans you had, right, Milo?
and the chill and the warm.
Is that the bypass local, Milo?
Where am I? If you think you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Good luck, and thanks for playing the Where's Milo game
With OBX Spotlight.